So, DJ ang kakanta niya, Out of Rage and Closer You and I. Then, huwag mo masyadong mamadali. May lahat. Magmamadali ka.
Dinidila niya yung sarili sa monitor. I-close ako si Claire.
Hi! Conscious?
Close ako si Claire.
Shot mo na.
Konti pa. Aba, malaki na pala ko si Claire, oh.
In fairness, kasha siya.
Kamukha mo pala si Janice.
Janice, si Claire?
Yung anak ni Janice.
Chana! Beautiful face. Kaya ito bata pa siya kasi marami siyang baby fats.
Ilan ba na si Janice? Ay, Janice.
Si Claire. 17. Ilang taon na si Claire? 17. Maglilibot ka next year? This August? This year, as siya birthday ni bukas.
Ayaw ba sinasalubong natin ngayong gabi? Ano pa nga na birthday bukas?
Cheche!
Yvonne. Happy birthday, Yvonne.
Yvonne.
Ang mga Yvonne.
Na nag-birthday. Magpapainom. Maya. Ang balikbayan. Mamimigay ng pera. Ngayon din.
So, nandito si ano pangalan mo pala? Excuse me, what's your name? JR. JR is from?
San Diego.
San Diego. California.
San Diego, malapit ka ba sa ano? San Del Monte?
No, I don't know what that is.
Sa ano? San Diego del Monte.
I never heard that.
You never heard of it? Oh, come on. Yeah. Near QF? Piltranco. No? Oh, come on.
You've been there, right?
No, I never been there.
I live near there.
He lives there.
I live there.
He lives there. King Kong people lives in Del Monte.
Come on, talk to me, King Kong.
They eat pineapple.
Yeah, that's Cebu.
Pineapple.
Okay, so how are you guys related to each other, my man? Yo.
Magpinsan ka.
Nagtatakalo pala? Ay, walang iya ka. Ito pa. Wow!
Wow, guwapo mo, no? Okay, so you guys are cousins, and when did you arrive from San Diego?
Actually, I've been here since February.
Since February.
February.
What the hell are you doing here, man?
Long vacation, man. Chilling.
Fuck, what do you do in the States, man?
Chilling.
What do you do in the States?
Huh?
What do you do?
College student.
College student?
You're a college student? Oh my God! Good for you!
Yeah.
Because some people here in Philippines, they never go to college. Even high school or elementary. You're the best.
What curse?
What curse? Are you magkukulang? What curse?
What is monkey?
It's from the States, so it's our curse.
Yeah.
Nursing.
Nursing. So why do you have to take up nursing there when others from there come here to study?
Actually, I was gonna do that, but I got accepted over there.
Really? Why? You grew up there?
No, I was there since I was 9.
For how long?
9.
So how long have you been done now?
15 years?
How long?
15 years?
Oh,
It's a
15 years.
Nice.
It doesn't show, my dear.
It looks like only 1 year.
Yeah.
So you're 24.
Tinakpan talaga yan.
Today you're 24. Your age. Hey, JR. We have the same quality of the voice.
Yeah.
So I'm a king kong also.
No! You're a King Kong.
No, I'm not King Kang.
Who are you then?
He's King Kong, I'm King Kang. This girl, Kang Kang.
Pakang-kang.
So you study your, what do you call that? Your nursing there?
Nice.